Amy is dressing up like her big sister. How fun. Welcome. Let's read, big for me. The special word in this story is the sight word, big. Big. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. The shoe is big for me. The shoe is big for me. The shirt is big for me. The shirt is big for me. I put on the big shoe. I put on the big shoe. I put on the big shirt. I put on the big shirt. Look, I am a big girl. Look, I am a big girl. Look, I am my sister. Look, I am my sister. I love my big sister. I love my big sister. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, big. Can you read this page? It says, the shoe is big for me. Can you also read this page? It says, I put on the big shirt. Read. What does Amy say? She says, look, I am a big girl. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story, big. Okay, let's play some games and practice spotting the word big. First, can you find the word big? Which is the word big? Big. Again, find the word big. Here it is, big. Last one. What letter does the word big start with? Big. It's B. Big. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.